Hello dear students, in the today's class let us discuss about the composition of functions and invertible functions. Okay, so composition means we have to mix two functions. Okay, so let us see what is meant by composition. So composed of a function which is composed of two functions. Okay, so let us see the function, a function f from a function letter a, b and c be three non-empty sets. F is a function from a to b and z is a function from b to c. G is a function from b to c. Then composition of f and c, composition of f and z is denoted by is denoted by denoted by G composition f. This symbol denotes small o. This denotes composition Z composition f. So shortly we can call it as a GOP also. Okay. So and defined by and defined by G composition of f of x is equal to the z of f of x for all x belongs to set A. So see here, A, B and C are three non-empty sets. F is a function from A to B, Z is a function from set B to set C. Composition of F and Z is denoted by G composition F, that is we can call it as a GOF, and defined by Z composition f of x equal to G of f of x for all x belongs to A. So this is the composition definition. Okay, so let us see how this is defined, how this GOF is defined. Okay, so see, let this is the set A, set B, this is set C. Okay, f is a function from A to B, z is a function from B to C. Okay, so let us consider an element x. X belongs to the A, x belongs to the A, and consider one more element y belongs to the set B and z, small z belongs to the C. Okay, so f is a function from A to B. F is x is related to the y. So y is equal to the, we can say f of x. So f of x equal to the y. Y is the image of the x under the function f. Therefore f of x is equal to the y. And one more, y is the element of the set B and set B is the domain of the function g. Therefore, so the function g is from B to C. Therefore, the element y is related to the z. The element y is related to the z under the function g. So this is equal to the z of y, g of y, that is image of y is z under the function g, under the function g, that is z of y equal to z. So f of x equal to y for all x belongs to A, and g of y equal to z for all y belongs to B. Now see, g of y is f of x, f of x. So this is equal to z for all x belongs to the A. Z of f of x equal to z for all x belongs to A. Therefore, we have associated the element x to the element z. Means the element of the domain of function f is associated to the element of the codomain of the function g. It means these two functions are composed. That is z of f of x equal to the z. Means a unique element x is associated to a element z. Right? So this is the function. This is defined by, denoted by G composition. That is only GOP. Why? Because see, G of f of x, that is Z composition F. Z composition F. Okay, so this is the composition of two functions defined in this way. So let us see, A is a non-empty set, B is one more non-empty set, C is another non-empty set, F is a function from A to B, Z is a function from B to C, X is the element of A, Y is the element of B, and Z is the element of C. So X is related to the Y, that is image of X is Y in the set B under the function f. Therefore, f of x equal to the y. So g, y is the related to the z, means z is the image of y. Therefore, under the function z of y equal to the z. So f of x equal to the pi for all x belongs to the a. This is our function f. And g of y equal to the z for all y belongs to the b. Y is nothing but f of x. So z of f of x equal to z. X is associated to the z. A unique element x is associated to the element z. Therefore, this is defined as the composition of function f and z. That is GOF. Read it as a f composition z. Read it as a f composition g. So see, it is GOP is means this composition is defined if the domain of the composition function, domain of the composition function is the domain of the function f, is the domain of the function f, and codomain is the codomain of the function g. Codomain is the codomain of the function z. And one more is, it is GOF is defined if, GOF is defined if the domain of the function z, domain of z is subset of set b, subset of set b. GOF is defined. Okay, and range of GOF is subset of C, right? And like GOF, fog is also a composition of F and Z. If GOF is defined in F and Z, fog may define, may not define. If they define, if fog is also defined, then they may not equal. They may not equal. May equal, may not equal. So this is about the composition of the function. So let us take a simple example. Simple example. Set A is the set of all students. All students, right? Set B is the number, set of whole numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. F is a function from A to B. F is a function from A to B, and C is a function. C is a one more set. So this is the code number. I will name this as a code number set. So see, set A is the set of all students, set B is the set of roll numbers, set C is the code number set. Which is code numbers are used to call these rule numbers. Okay, suppose ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯಕತ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೇಮಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಸೀಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮುಂಚೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ, ಗೌಪ್ಯತೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ, ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ, ಈ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಿಂದ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ನೇಮಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗನ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು. ಆ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನೋನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಡಿಕೋಡೆಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಕೋಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ನೇಮಿಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಈ ನೇಮಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಈ ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮಿಗೆ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ not needed now, roll number not needed. You will be directly link, you will directly link into, that is GOF, that is GOF, and composition of F and Z. So this is one of the real example for you, how the composition of the function is used, how they made composition, right? Okay, this is about the composition of the functions, basics. Right, next see the examples. See the question, example number 15. F from set 2 3 4 5 to the set 3 4 5 9. Function f from this set to this, and z is a function from set 3 4 5 9 to the set 7 11 15. Right? B functions defined as f and z are defined as f of 2 equal to 3, f of 3 equal to 4, f of 4 equal to f of 5 equal to 5, and z of 3 equal to z of 4 equal to 7, g of 5 equal to g of 9 equal to 11. Find G, find GOF, F composition Z, find GOF. Okay, so let us see the solution. We can write directly also. So see, I will write first diagrammatically. This is the set A, name the sets. This is the set B, and this is the set C. See here, 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5. Set B, 3 4 5 9, 3 4 5 9, 3 4 5 9. Set B, set C, 7 11 15. F is from A to B, and Z is from B to C. Z is from B to C. See, f of 2 equal to 3 means 2 is related to the 3. 3 is the image of 2. F of 3 equal to 4. F of 3 equal to 4. F of 4 equal to f of 5 equal to 5. Means 4 and 5 have the same image 5. Next, g of 3, g of 4 equal to 7. G of 3 equal to 7, g of 4 equal to 7. Next, g of 5, g of 9 equal to 11. G of 5, g of 9 equal to 11. So I just represented it diagrammatically. Next, so see, now find the GOF. Means GOF is from A to the C. Okay. GOF of 2, GOF of 3, GOF of 4, GOF of 5 we have to find. So that is now G GOF of 2 equal to the. We know that G GOF of x written as Z of f of x. We can write it as Z of f of 2. G of f of 2. So this is equal to the Z of f of 2 is 3. Okay. This is equal to Z of 3. It becomes Z of 3. G of 3 is 11. Right. So see here 2, 3, 3 to the 7. So image of 2 is 3. Set A ದಾಗ 2 ಅದ, set B ದಾಗ 3 ಅದ. Image of 2 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 3 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ G of 3, image of 3 is 7. G of 3 is 7. So totally GOF of 2 is equal to 7. Right? Next, GOF of next element is 3. GOF of 3 can be written as G of f of 3 ಬರೀಬಹುದು. f of 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 4. G of 4. G of 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ 7 ತೆಗೆದ 2 ನು 7 ತೆಗೆದ. Therefore GOF of 3 equal to 7. Next, GOF of 4 equal to the GOF of G of f of 4. f of 4 ನೋಡ್ರಿ, f of 4 equal to 5. So G of 5. This is equal to f of 4 plus 5 ಬರೆಯೋದು. G of 5 is 11. So GOF of 4 is equal to 11. Next, GOF of 5. G of f of 5 equal to G of f of 5 is what? F of 5 is 5. G of 5 is 11. So see here 2 and 3 related to the unique element 7 and 4 and 5 to the 11. Therefore, so GOF of 2 is 7, GOF of 3 is 7, GOF of 4 is 11, GOF of 5 is 11. So this is a very basic example which clarify the composition of the function, and we have to find the GOF of all the elements in the set A, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number 16, example number 16. Find GOF and form if f is a function from R to the R and z is a function from R to the R are given by, they are given by f of x equal to cos x, z of x equal to 3x square. Show that GOF is not equal to form. So see here students, this is a very important example. In 2014 March they asked from 3 marks. It means we have to find form GOF and show that form is not equal to GOF. In 2016 March for 2 marks, just find fog and GOF, that is for 2 marks. And 2018 July for 3 marks, again fog GOF, fog is not equal to GOF, we have to show. So see the question and now the solution. F of x equal to cos x is given and z of x equal to 3x square, right? So we need fog and GOF. We know that G composition f, that is fog of f of cos of x equal to the g of f of x, right? By the definition, you know this is equal to the g of f of x is cos x, cos x. See here, this becomes g of x. This becomes g of x. Here it is g of x. So number 2, golf of x equal to the g of f of x. f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ given ಏನು cos x. So ಹೀಗೆ ಆದ ಪಕ್ಷ g of x. This is totally x. So given ನೋಡಿ g of x, x became 3x square, right? This is equal to the 3 cos x square. 3x square. So golf of x equal to the 3 cos square ex. Log of x equal to 3 cos square ex, right? Now for of x equal to f of g of x. G of x ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 3x square. f of 3x square ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, now see here this became f of x. ಇದೆಲ್ಲನೇ x ನಮ್ಗೆ f of x, x became cos x, that is 3 cos x place in the x place ಇದನ್ನ put ಮಾಡೋಣ cos 3x square. ಇದು x ನಮ್ಗೆ x cos x ಆಗೈತಿ to x place cos x, right? This is cos x. Call this equation as a 2. One ನೋಡ್ರಿ from 1 and 2. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು different. 3 cos square x different, cos 3x square different. From 1 and 2, 3 cos square x. 3 cos square x is not equal to the cos 3x square. Therefore log of x is not equal to the log of ex. So 2 mark ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ only log and log find out ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. 3 mark ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು find out ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. From 1 and 2, 3 cos square x is not equal to cos 3x square. Therefore log is not equal to the log x. Okay, so this is about the composition of the functions. So I have seen the definition and 2 examples. Okay, so I will continue the remaining examples in the next class. Okay, so until then, have a good day. Thank you.